It's actually dropping now. You can see the water line on that grass there. It's definitely dropping. It's dropping quite fast actually. This is where it was, where these leaves are here. So it's actually been even higher.
It was about the
so close off flooding main village. It looks about 2 foot off, breaking that bank there, and that'll overflow onto that road and flood probably a lot of houses. I think it'll probably flood about, I reckon, about 30 or 40 houses if it comes off that bank there, like on the other side of the bank. Oh dear. Silly person. Silly person. Why would you risk driving through there? Like, every time this river bursts its banks, there's always someone who tries to go through there. And it never ever ends well for them. Oh dear. Look at how close it is to break that bank there. Bloody hell. That is major flood. I haven't seen this bad in about at least probably 10 years. I'm trying to think. It's on my old Instagram. I think it could have been 2017 or something. Looked at the tide tables. It's low water, it's 4:30, it's quite a big tide as well, so it'll go out quite far. And it was high water this morning at about 10 o'clock, and yeah, quite a big tide. Well, yeah, pretty big, bigger than average tide. So if the tide was in now, if it was high tide now, the flooding would be even worse than it is now. That was £5. It's £5 on the scales, so that'll be the only salmon I keep this season anyways. The rest of them will be going back. I know it was dropping further up the river it started dropping about an hour ago, about 5 miles up the river, looking at the graph anyways. But I've looked at the graph for it down here, just by the sea, just by the estuary, and it's still rising very slightly. It rose about an inch in the last 15 minutes anyways. So yeah, as I said before though, if it was high tide now, the river would be probably up to where I'm walking now, I reckon, because it's low water. The river obviously it'll drain out a lot faster. There's the sea just there. The estuary comes out about probably about a mile further down there. Just gonna have a walk right down it, might as well, not doing out else. And it's very rare you see it like this, extremely rare. This is probably like a 1 in a 10 or a 20 year flood. So let's get loads of footage of it. Better pools downstream. There's about 6 good pools to fish anyways. This is where I got one of my salmon on the fly. Well actually that was the only one I caught on the fly this season. It was like over there. It was like what it is going home under. It's a really coloured fish as well. I just missed a rabbit. Like I'm usually standing there and like casting into the river, but you can't even see where I stand there. It's actually like quite far underwater, even where they stand, even where they do stand. The land's corroded that much, the field's corroded that much that, oh, that was a really good pull that. Wow. Wowzers. Oh, just seeing a salmon move there. That was probably a salmon, that sort of like head and tailed. Wanted to get on that bridge over there, obviously I can't. Like a giant otter or a bear. What the hell is that? When I was working there, maybe heard them like once a year or something, if that. I'm trying to actually remember when I actually heard them. Sort of feel probably not serious. It's probably a drain flooded on site. This is why I need a drone as well. I need a drone to make my videos more professional. I should have some more fishing videos out for you soon as well. Should have one out in probably the next 3 or 4 days maybe. Probably going to start pike fishing as well this winter. So yeah, keep an eye out. It's not the usual fishing video, but just thought I'd come down and show you what the beck's like at the moment. The season's finished now. 4th of October, it's 4th of November, sorry. So the salmon fishing's over for another year. Nice walk and some mental scenes as well, really.